What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, so as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be installing this like track inspired livery, I guess you could call it. I'm stoked to change things up on the car. I've been kind of wanting to do this for a while, so shout out to Tailored Auto Styling for coming through. I still got a few more things, so that's why I'm going to call it a livery. They're more so decals, but whatever. But yeah, without further ado, let's get to it. Alrighty, so last night I went and I cleaned the car real good, and gonna give you guys a couple little hints as to why I'm doing this. I got new fenders coming in, and I got another wing coming in, and I haven't said much about that at all, but if you guys have watched my previous videos, you know I got a lot of things coming, so stay tuned. But yeah, we're gonna throw on this livery, I guess you could call it. I'm gonna be getting my side skirts fixed and everything, because there's like, you can just see they're like messed up right here, and then like it's just, they don't stay on the best. So I think I'm gonna get some new ones, and yeah, some like real OEM ones, because I don't think these aren't OEM. But yeah, without further ado, I guess let's just get to it. I'm gonna probably set the time lapse up and yeah, get to it. Hell yeah. I think that looks super cool. Man, I'm proud of myself. I did a good job. And then, so like right here, I'm gonna have Malone tuning, and then probably another one, and then I have a Volkswagen Motorsport, like old school, like sticker. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's pretty old school. So I don't know. I think that's gonna look pretty sick. But yeah, I'm probably gonna just do the other side off camera real quick and just bust that out, and then probably go grab some cinematics, because this is looking super cool. So yeah, I'll probably go grab some cinematics. Man, that looks tight. I can't wait for the fenders to come in, because one, I messed my fenders up big time when I aired out. I totally forgot to take out the fender liner and everything, so I'm gonna do that here soon. Frame notch is coming soon. Dent's about to get fixed, so I'm not gonna put the other stickers on the back part on the other side until I get that finished. But I think this looks super cool, and I don't know if you guys are like wondering, I put a little bit of angle to it, which I think looks nice. It's like you can't really tell that much at all, but yeah, I think it's gonna look super cool. Man, I'm hyped. Finally changing things up. It looks super dope. Got the matching behind the R emblem. Like that right there looks super cool. And all I'll say is the fenders that I'm getting, they're vented. That's all I'm gonna say. Man, I'm hyped. I think that looks super dope. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I'm gonna do the other side though real quick, and yeah. And I figured I may as well just bust out this side on camera as well. Dude, I think that looks so cool. Man, I cannot wait to get this dent fixed. It's gonna look so much better. Damn. That looks so tight. My vision really came to life. I think that looks super cool. Don't mind the garbage and everything, but yeah. Damn. I'm gonna have just 2 more right there. So 4 down and then 4 across. Damn, that's gonna be dope. Man. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I just wanted to switch it up, be a little bit different. And I think this looks super rad. And I already have them making the Malone tuning one and then the Volkswagen Motorsport one. But I'm not sure what one I want to put right there because there's still quite a bit of room there. And the Malone tuning one is probably going to be the same length as those ones. You know what I mean? So, yeah. And I think, like what I'm kind of doing is how this is the people that obviously made it. Shout out to Tailored Auto Styling. But wheels, shocks, engine performance, the people who did it. And then Malone tuning, so engine performance. And then something else. And then Volkswagen Motorsport. I'm not going to go into too much detail about those other ones, or the Volkswagen Motorsport one, because it's going to look sick. Just know it's retro. Just know it looks fucking dope. But yeah, this is tight. I'm super hyped. This looks pretty legit. And that is going to wrap up today's video. I really appreciate everybody for liking, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. If you made it to the end, thank you very much. I still got lots more to come, lots of stuff to do. Multiple things are on the way. Let me know what you guys think about the new livery decals or whatever. I still got a few more to do, but overall, I'm hyped with how things are looking, and the sunset is looking super sick right now, so I'm probably gonna go for a little cruise. But yeah, thank you guys very much, and we'll see you all in the next one. Peace.